Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max in Brawl Stars. Max is a high-mobility support brawler who thrives on speed and quick attacks. Her primary role is to empower her team and control the flow of battle. Focus on staying agile, dodging enemy fire, and providing consistent pressure. Remember, your super is a game-changer for both offense and defense, so use it wisely to turn the tide of any engagement. Max's main attack is a rapid-fire burst, perfect for chipping away at enemies or finishing them off. Her super, Run and Gun, is incredibly versatile, providing a crucial speed advantage for pushes or retreats. For gadgets, Phase Shifter offers a quick escape or aggressive maneuver, making you invulnerable for a brief moment. Alternatively, Sneaky Sneakers provides an instant reload and a small heal, keeping you in the fight longer and ready for action. When it comes to star powers, Supercharged is excellent for consistent super uptime, as it recharges your super faster while you're moving. Run and Gun, on the other hand, boosts your ammo reload speed while moving, allowing for more sustained damage output. For gears, speed and damage are often top choices to maximize her impact. However, a health gear can also be very beneficial, giving you that extra resilience to survive critical moments and continue supporting your team. Max thrives when playing alongside her team, as her super speed boost is most effective when shared. Utilize your high mobility to control lanes, apply pressure, and quickly rotate to assist allies. She synergizes exceptionally well with brawlers who can capitalize on extra speed, such as tanks pushing forward or assassins closing the gap. Always be mindful of your positioning and avoid isolated engagements, as teamwork is key to unlocking Max's full potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.